Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Last time you joined us with Project Supra, we were just at stage 1 tuning, which was around 420 horsepower. We're happy with the way the car is performing on the dyno and the road, so now it's time to take it to the next level. That means adding a Supersprint downpipe to the full Supersprint exhaust, and then adding our stage 2 tuning. So we're going to fit the downpipe. Aston's going to show you the difference between the stock downpipe and the Supersprint downpipe. Then we'll get the car back on the dyno and see what results we can get from the stage 2 tuning.
So I've removed the stock cat from the Supra. It's the first time I've done one myself, so I was kind of learning as I was going along, but it is fairly similar to a BMW in the way that it's mounted with the V-band clamp and the bolts on the bracket. So we'll take a look at the differences between the two. Obviously the main difference being that this one is a cat and this one's a decat. So inside the stock one there's the catalytic converter, which starts here and ends here. And then in the Supersprint one you can see all the way through, so it's completely clear, so that's going to free up the back pressure for the turbo. The Supersprint pipe uses the same locations for the pre-cat and the post-cat lambda sensors, so they'll fit in the same, you don't have to change anything there. Because ours is the Euro model, it's got the OPF exhaust, so the connection at the bottom is different to the rest of the world, and it also has the pipe that measures the back pressure for the OPF. So we'll just basically fit the line back on that connects to the sensor for that OPF system. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward to fit. You don't have to modify anything when you're fitting it. It all fits in the same place. You've got the same size here with the same V-clamp, the same line, the same lambdas, the same bracket, and it fits straight onto the stock exhaust at the bottom.
So the downpipe's been fitted now and the car sounds absolutely amazing. I really love the high pitched noise it's giving out, especially for a turbo car, because a lot of the time that can go wrong and you get like a deep noise which doesn't really suit the car. But I think the pitch and tone of the full Supersprint really suits the Supra. So let's have a look at the power figures. So stock was 351, Stage 1 was 418, and now with the downpipe fitted and the stage 2 map, we're close to 450 horsepower. So that's 447. The torque's gone up another 25 foot-pound throughout the whole rev range. So you can see the difference between the stage 1, which is the pink line, and the stage 2 with the downpipe, which is the orange line. So that's quite a significant jump from stage 1 to stage 2. So what we're going to do now is go take it out on the road, see what it drives like. So we've seen the dyno results. Let's take it out for a drive and see what that extra power feels like. As I mentioned, we were pretty pleased with the stage 1 results. So stage 2, with just the addition of the downpipes and a little bit more aggressive tuning, just gives it that little bit more edge. Yeah, you can certainly feel the difference. And I have been out and dragged the car, so our 100 to 200 time is now reduced to 8.27, which is quite a nice difference just over the stage 1. Oh, the sound. I forgot for a moment. I was wondering why is it so loud. It's because we fit the Supersprint downpipe now with the full Supersprint exhaust. It sounds glorious. It's really opened up the sound waves, and you can really hear that B58 engine sing. And the overrun noise is slightly ridiculous, but in a good way. I think we'll have to make a video just dedicated to this exhaust sound. It does sound amazing. What we will do when the weather gets a little better is try and head back to Santa Pod to see what the difference in the quarter mile time is, because I know people are very interested in that. But for now, we've got good dyno results, we've got good Dragy results, all showing a decent improvement. The next stage for us is to fit the Venturi intake onto this car and see what difference that makes in isolation, because once you've done the stage 2 with the downpipe and the tune, the intake would be the next logical thing to fit. So that's it for now. Next video with the Supra will be the Venturi intake. We'll fit it, dyno it, do some Dragy times, and we'll also do a little bit of a deep dive on the intake itself and compare it to the stock one to show you guys where the improvements will come from. But that's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you'd like to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you'd like to watch what YouTube suggests you might like from our other videos, you can watch that over here. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment section and we'll do our best to answer them for you.